This is this.
Up arrow, user 1 of 50. Down arrow, list PC 2 of 50. Numpad enter. Up arrow, user 1 of 50. Up arrow, up arrow. Up arrow, list PC window, item up arrow. Up arrow, up arrow. Up arrow.
And
Down arrow, 3D object, throw 1, down arrow, download, throw 2, 4 of 9.
Please, I would it be
Numpad enter, download, items, new up arrow, today, set up arrow.
This is this
Up arrow. Down arrow, world voice 5.0, 1 of 25.
enter button, please.
Numpad enter. Add-on installation dialog. Are you sure you want to install this add-on? Only install add-ons from trusted sources. Add-on. Right arrow. No button alt plus left arrow. Yes button alt plus Y.
Enter.
Numpad on installation dialog. You are about to install version 5.0 of World Voice. Right arrow. No button alt left arrow. Yes button alt plus Y.
Enter, click this. Enter. Yes.
Numpad down install restart NVDA dialog. Changes were made to add-ons. You must restart NVDA for these changes to take effect. Would you like to restart now? Yes button alt plus Y. Right arrow, no button alt plus N. Left arrow, yes button alt plus Y.
Yes, enter click, yes, enter click.
Numpad enter.
NVDA restart.
Loading NVDA. Please wait. Tab welcome to NVDA dialog. Welcome to NVDA. Tab use caps lock as an NVDA modifier key checkbox checked all tab. Start NVDA after I sign in checkbox tab. Show this dialog when NVDA starts checkbox checked alt plus S. Tab OK button. Downloads window. Items new list. Date modified split button. Collapsed sorted descending. Alt plus F4.
Let's simple process.
Control select synthesis up arrow. Down arrow IBM TTS. Down arrow Microsoft Speak API version 5. Down arrow Windows 1 Core Voices. Down arrow World Voice.
World Voice.
Run DLL dialog error in C. Windows System 32 PCASVC.dll missing entry. PCA wallpaper app detect. OK button. Up arrow. Up arrow. Down arrow. Down arrow.
World Voice. For.
Up arrow. Up arrow. Up arrow. Up arrow.
Set the link video description.